This tsunami is an anomaly in history because it was not triggered by a major earthquake, but by a giant landslide that fell into Lituya Bay in Alaska on 9 July 1958. The landslide caused a 524-meter-high wave of water that crashed into the cliffs across the bay. Although this wave was very high, it did not spread to the densely populated area. This tsunami killed 5 people and became an extreme example of a mega tsunami that could be caused by a landslide. On 11th March 2011, Japan was rocked by the strongest earthquake ever recorded in its history. Although Japan is known for its sophisticated earthquake and tsunami warning system, the tsunami waves that came were huge and fast. The 40-meter-high waves crashed inland, destroying coastal cities and causing a nuclear meltdown at the Fukushima nuclear power plant. The disaster killed more than 15,000 people and left the Japanese nation deeply traumatized.
On 13 August 1868, a powerful earthquake shook the Arica region, then part of Peru. The earthquake triggered a tsunami that not only devastated the coasts of Chile and Peru, but also traveled far across the Pacific Ocean, reaching New Zealand, Japan, and Australia. The disaster claimed an estimated 25,000 lives and caused severe damage to port infrastructure and ships. The Arica tsunami demonstrated that the impact of ocean waves triggered by earthquakes can spread across the globe. On 27 August 1883, the violent eruption of Mount Krakatoa, located in the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra, caused a devastating tsunami wave. The explosion was heard for thousands of kilometers, and tsunami waves as high as 40 meters hit the coasts of both islands. The tsunami killed an estimated 36,000 people and destroyed many villages. Krakatoa's eruption also spewed volcanic ash into the atmosphere that spread around the world, causing a drop in global temperatures and incredible sunsets for several years afterwards. On 1st November 1755, a major feast day in Portugal, the city of Lisbon was shaken by a very strong earthquake. Many people ringed churches when the quake struck. Shortly after the shaking subsided, 3 massive tsunami waves swept up to the coast and flooded the city, destroying buildings and claiming the lives of tens of thousands of people. The combination of the earthquake, tsunami, and the massive fires that followed left Lisbon devastated. The tsunami not only claimed lives and property, but also changed the political and social landscape of Europe and triggered the early study of seismology.
On the morning of 26 December 2004, a powerful undersea earthquake shook the bottom of the Indian Ocean off the west coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. This earthquake triggered a giant wave that traveled at incredible speed. The tsunami waves, which reached heights of 30 meters, wiped out the coastlines of 14 countries, including Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. The tsunami became the deadliest natural disaster in modern history, killing more than 227,000 people and leaving unimaginable destruction in coastal areas. It was a painful reminder of the awesome power of nature and the fragility of humanity in the face of it.